How to make chicken Manchurian. 4 pieces of breast, ginger and garlic paste, black pepper, chili, soy sauce, 1 egg, salt, corn flour, all-purpose flour. Mix. Cover for 30 minutes. Add corn flour to another bowl. Water. Mix. Add oil to a pan. Add chicken. Fry till golden brown. Set chicken aside. Add oil to another pan. Ginger and garlic. Spring onions. Green chili. Chili flakes. Chili and soy sauce. Tomato ketchup. Green pepper. Red onions. Mix. Water. Sugar. Testing salt. Add chicken. Mix. Add the corn flour mix. Mix. Spring onions. Lemon juice. Sesame seeds. Done.